Guys, thank you for coming with me to Target. Let's take a look at their makeup. Look at this, Winky Lux. So they have over here, okay, this is their glitter puff, $16. This here is their highlighter in pink. And these are some sheets, some blotting sheets. Okay, those are $16. The blotting sheets are $8. And this here is $18. What is that? That's their glitter cloud. Okay, so over here you have the lipsticks for $15. Here it is in red. That's a more neutral color. And here you have them. These are all $15 and $16, guys. So over here, you have their mascara. This is your lip gloss, $16. This is Ultra Brow. Eyeliners, $13, and eyeliner here. So this is what that looks like, guys. So you have that one. What are these? Kitten palettes. So these are eye palettes, and this is what they look like here, and they're $25, guys. Then you have some more palettes down here, and these are $25. These are the colors. So over here you have the coffee bronzer, Winky Lux. So this one says latte, mocha, and espresso. Then this one here, diamond powder foundation, and that's $22. There's the light, the medium, deep, and the deep. Then here you have the diamond powder light. So this one comes in light, medium, and this is powder foundation. Then this here is the white tea tinted veil moisturizer, $28, guys, for those. And then here you have the veil moisturizer. Anyway, those were $28. And over here you have the concealer, $16. And these are the colors they come in, and this is what the packaging looks like. Then these are $30. This is the Dream Whip Primer and the lip scrub. So this is what that looks like, guys. That's really nice. Isn't that nice? That display is absolutely gorgeous. The NYX, a professional makeup. So guys, they have the Powder Buff Lippy. So they have them in these colors right here. I don't see a price on them, but I'll show you the items. So here they have the lip pencil and the matte lip liner. So here must be the pencils and the liner. And okay, the prices are on the side. So the lip pencil's $3.99 and the lip makeup is $3.99 and also $7.99. Then these over here, they're $7.99. So these lipsticks over here are $5.99, guys. That label is right there, and they come in these colors. So these are $8.49, okay, and they come in these colors right here. I hope you can see that, guys. Then over here you have the lip oil butter gloss, and that's $5.99, and they come in these colors right here. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? And this one right here. So $10.99 here would have been for the brow pencil, and these things are not in order. So here you have the mascara, and they're $7.99, and here's eyeshadow, mascara, dull eye. Those are $9.49, and then over here is $6.49 for these colors for the lips. Here is $6.99 for the lip matte, and $8.99 for this makeup. Okay, so then you have the Powder Puff Lippy. Those are $8.49 right here. And here's a powder puff in these colors. Then you have the glitter goals in this color for your lips, and those are $8.99, guys. These are $7.99 for these right here. And then you have this makeup right here. What is it called? Filler Instinct, and that's $6.99. They come in these colors right here. These are $6.49. It says lip makeup. And these, the lip primer, Brilliant, $6.49. And Epic Wear, waterproof eye and body liquid liner. So those are $9.99 because they were up here, but they're also, the display is here and it's $9.99. So this over here is the eye point, and these are $4.49, guys. And this glitter right here is $6.49. And here your eyeliner with the brow brush with the liner, and that is Brow Enhance, $5.99. Then these are brow makeup for $10.99. And here you have your liners. Those are $6.49. These are $9.99. These are $6.49, and these right here with the brow brush is $4.79. Brow Enhance for $12.99 right here. And these are $10.99. These are Tame and Frame for $7.49, and these are $7.49. Also the tinted brow mascara. So here you have the eyeshadows for $6.99. Then you have these palettes right here, and those are $7.99. So guys, I thought I'd show you the NYX and the Lux. Here's another display over here of the NYX Professional Makeup, guys, and here we have the Winky Lux. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Target to check out their makeup, and I'll see you in another video.